God, that it has fallen down. Oops, 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 my dad. Where are you going? Oh. What is that? Oops. It's 15 minutes lang pa naman. It's too fast. Okay. It's like I know how to drive na. Sorry.
And he smiled.
Hello. We're in Italy. Sorry. We're in Italy now. Italy. Philippines, Italy. 15 minutes lang pa naman. Why it's so short?
The time or
I don't
11:35. We gotta be back at 11:50.
Okay. Look how they're slowly too. We can pass it them. Aray ko. You not see my ano there? My handsome driver. Oh my gosh. It's so funny. Kita yata yung aking ano. Go, go, go! Where are you going? Ah, it's only like here. Then you turn around, go it back. Where we go here, my love?
We still got time to go to the other side.
Yeah, we can go to the other side. I have shorts, so it's nothing. It's no worries. It's funny. It's a long day. You can, or you can turn, my love. Oops, you're a driver, so you know how to. Oops, we don't bump over there. Oops, back, back. Swan, can you back? Okay. Okay. Enough, my love. So much. Oops. Oops. It's like a plane.